Have you ever felt the urge to peer beyond the veil of the visible, to touch the fabric of reality that lies hidden from our everyday senses? This isn't just the realm of fantasy or science fiction, it's an invitation to expand our minds and explore the concept of thinking in 4 dimensions. The world we navigate is intricately woven from 3 dimensions we know intimately: length, width, and height. Yet there's another dimension intertwined with the fabric of our existence that eludes our direct perception: time. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of the universe by introducing the concept of spacetime, a seamless blend of 3 spatial dimensions with the 4th dimension of time. This 4-dimensional universe isn't merely a scientific curiosity. It's the stage upon which the drama of the cosmos unfolds, with gravity bending the Spacetime fabric around masses, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. But thinking in 4 dimensions isn't just about comprehending the universe's vastness, it's also a deeply personal journey. The Institute of 4th Dimensional Thinking suggests that by considering our lives through the lens of 4-dimensional thinking, we can achieve greater self-compassion and understanding. This perspective encourages us to reflect on our past selves, envision our future selves, and fully embrace the agency of our present selves. In this exploration, we invite you to join us on a journey beyond the confines of the 3-dimensional world, to discover how thinking in 4 dimensions can transform not only our understanding of the universe, but also how we perceive ourselves and our place within it. As we delve into the mysteries of the 4th dimension, let us open our minds to the possibilities that lie in merging the vastness of space with the flow of time, and how this union shapes our reality, our choices, and our futures. 1. Understanding the 4th dimension. The journey into understanding the 4th dimension begins with a fundamental shift in perspective, moving beyond the familiar 3-dimensional space that frames our daily existence. In our 3-dimensional world, everything has length, width, and height. But there's more to the universe than what meets the eye. Enter the concept of the 4th dimension: time, a crucial component that, together with the 3 spatial dimensions, forms the fabric of the universe: space-time. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity was a groundbreaking revelation that reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. It proposed that space and time are not separate entities, but are interconnected and woven into a single fabric known as space-time. This 4-dimensional framework challenges the notion of immutable space and time, suggesting instead that they coexist within this unified dimension. The implications of this concept are profound, illustrating that the universe we inhabit is far more complex and interconnected than previously imagined. Einstein's insights into the 4-dimensional universe revealed that the very structure of space-time is influenced by the mass and energy it contains. Imagine a trampoline stretched tight. When an object is placed on it, the fabric bends and dips, creating a curvature. This analogy helps us understand how gravity works in the context of space-time. Massive objects like planets and stars warp the space-time around them, and this curvature dictates how objects move through space. Thus, gravity is not merely a force pulling objects together, but the result of this bending of space-time. The beauty of 4-dimensional thinking lies in its ability to expand our understanding of the universe's workings. It invites us to consider not just where objects are in space, but also when they exist in time, offering a more holistic view of reality. This framework allows us to grasp the interconnectedness of events separated by vast distances or epochs. revealing the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the fabric of the cosmos itself. In essence, understanding the fourth dimension opens up new avenues for comprehending the universe and our place within it. It challenges us to look beyond the confines of our three-dimensional perceptions and embrace a broader, more dynamic view of reality. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of space-time, we begin to see the interconnectedness of our own experiences across time. This perspective not only deepens our understanding of cosmic phenomena, but also enriches our perception of the flow of life itself. We start to see our lives as part of a greater whole, with each moment linked not just through the sequence of events, but through the warp and weft of space-time. By embracing four-dimensional thinking, we unlock a more nuanced comprehension of how past, present, and future are not just chronological, but are intricately connected in the continuum of space-time. This insight offers us a profound appreciation for the complexity of the cosmos and our role within it. As we journey through the fabric of space-time, we learn to navigate our lives with a greater awareness of the dimensions that shape our universe and our existence within it. 2. Fourth-dimensional thinking for personal growth. Embarking on the journey of fourth-dimensional thinking for personal growth, we delve into the realms where time is not just a measure, but a pathway to deeper self-understanding and transformation. This section explores the philosophical and practical applications of fourth-dimensional thinking in personal development, weaving together insights from both the Institute of Fourth-Dimensional Thinking and the profound implications of Einstein's space-time concept. At the heart of fourth-dimensional thinking lies the recognition of our existence across different moments in time, our past, present, and future selves. This perspective encourages a holistic view of our life's journey, fostering a compassionate understanding of the choices we've made, the circumstances we navigate, and the aspirations we aim for. By embracing this view, we cultivate a sense of self-compassion that allows us to accept our past actions and decisions without judgment, understand the potential of our future, and recognize the power we hold in the present to shape our destiny. The philosophical approach to fourth-dimensional thinking emphasizes the interconnectedness of our temporal selves. Accepting our past selves involves acknowledging our actions and experiences without clinging to regret or resentment. This acceptance does not condone past mistakes, but rather sees them as essential steps in our personal evolution. By learning from our past, we can make informed and mindful decisions in the present, thereby caring for our future selves. This cycle of reflection, action, and anticipation forms a continuous loop of growth and understanding. Practically, fourth-dimensional thinking can manifest in everyday decisions and behaviors. It prompts us to consider how our current choices affect our future well-being, encouraging actions that are aligned with our long-term happiness and fulfillment. This might mean adopting healthier habits, pursuing meaningful relationships, or engaging in lifelong learning, all with the awareness that our present actions lay the groundwork for our future selves. Moreover, this approach to personal growth encourages us to believe in the capacity of our present self to enact change. Believing in our present self is about embracing our potential at this very moment, recognizing that we have the agency to alter the course of our lives. It's about seeing ourselves as active participants in our journey, capable of growth, learning, and transformation. 3. Experiencing the fourth dimension. In our exploration of fourth-dimensional thinking, at this part of video, we delve into the realms of experiencing the fourth dimension, bridging the conceptual understanding with tangible, experiential practices. we aim to illuminate how meditation and mindfulness, alongside scientific insights, can serve as conduits to perceiving and interacting with the fourth dimension, time, in a more profound and meaningful way. Meditative practices stand at the forefront of experiencing the fourth dimension. Meditation allows individuals to transcend the immediate sensory experiences of the three-dimensional world, offering a gateway to the temporal dimension in a deeply personal and experiential manner. Through meditation, one can achieve a state of heightened awareness that transcends the linear progression of time, fostering an intimate connection with the present moment. This practice not only enhances one's perception of the now, but also enables a deeper understanding of how past experiences and future possibilities converge in the present. The act of meditating cultivates a mindfulness that illuminates the interconnectedness of our temporal existence, revealing how the threads of time weave together the tapestry of our lives. Scientific insights further enrich our experience of the fourth dimension by offering a framework to understand our place within the cosmos. The principles of spacetime, as unveiled through Einstein's theory of relativity, provide a profound conceptual model for understanding how the universe operates within four dimensions. These scientific explorations into the nature of the universe encourage a shift in perspective, from viewing time as a mere backdrop to recognizing it as an integral component of the fabric of existence. By understanding the bending of spacetime around masses and the relativistic effects on time's flow, we gain a deeper appreciation for the dynamic and fluid nature of our existence within the universe. The convergence of meditative practices and scientific insights presents a holistic approach to experiencing the fourth dimension. It encourages us to venture beyond the confines of our immediate perceptions, inviting us to engage with time in a manner that is both deeply personal and universally connected. This approach fosters a sense of awe and wonder towards the cosmos, inspiring a curiosity that drives both personal growth and scientific discovery. 4. The impact of fourth-dimensional thinking. In the final section of our journey into fourth-dimensional thinking, we explore the impact of fourth-dimensional thinking on both personal lives and broader societal and scientific realms. This exploration delves into how adopting a four-dimensional perspective can catalyze profound changes, fostering not only individual growth, but also propelling forward our collective understanding of the universe. On personal life, the adoption of fourth-dimensional thinking profoundly impacts personal development, nurturing a more nuanced understanding of the self and its journey through time. This perspective encourages individuals to live with a heightened awareness of their actions' long-term implications, fostering a sense of responsibility towards their future selves. It cultivates a mindset that values growth, learning, and adaptation, recognizing that each moment is an opportunity to shape the trajectory of one's life. By considering the interconnectedness of past, present, and future, individuals can make more mindful and compassionate choices, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. The ripple effects of such thinking can lead to improved mental health, as individuals learn to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience, seeing them as part of a larger, continuous path of personal evolution. On society and science. Beyond the personal sphere, fourth-dimensional thinking has the potential to revolutionize our approach to science and societal development. In science, this perspective underscores the importance of considering the temporal dimension in understanding natural phenomena, from the microscopic interactions within atoms to the vast cosmic dance of galaxies. It can inspire innovative research methodologies and theoretical frameworks that account for the dynamic nature of the universe. In society, a four-dimensional outlook can influence policymaking, urban planning, and community development, encouraging strategies that are sustainable and beneficial over long-term horizons. It fosters a collective consciousness that prioritizes the well-being of future generations, leading to a more thoughtful and considerate stewardship of our planet and its resources. The synergy of personal and collective growth. The impact of fourth-dimensional thinking is most profound at the intersection of personal growth and societal advancement. As individuals cultivate a deeper understanding of their place within the tapestry of time, they contribute to a culture that values foresight, empathy, and a shared responsibility for shaping the future. This cultural shift can lead to significant advancements in how we tackle global challenges, from climate change to social inequality, by promoting a holistic approach that considers the long-term impacts of our actions. As we draw our exploration of fourth-dimensional thinking to a close, we reflect on the profound journey through the dimensions of time and space, personal growth, and the broader implications for society and science. This journey has not only illuminated the intricate fabric of the universe, but also offered a transformative lens through which to view our lives and the decisions we make. Fourth-dimensional thinking, by weaving together the threads of past, present, and future, empowers us to live with greater awareness and intention. It teaches us that our actions today resonate through the continuum of time, affecting not just our immediate surroundings, but also the distant future. This perspective encourages us to act with mindfulness and compassion, fostering a life that is in harmony with the broader universe. The implications of adopting this perspective extend beyond personal enlightenment. They have the potential to catalyze societal progress and scientific discovery, promoting a more sustainable and equitable world. By embracing a four-dimensional view, we collectively foster innovation and solutions that are not only effective in the present, but also beneficial for generations to come. In essence, fourth-dimensional thinking offers a blueprint for navigating the complexities of existence in a way that is mindful of time's vast expanse. It challenges us to consider the legacy we wish to leave and the future we aim to create, urging us towards actions that reflect our deepest values and aspirations. As we conclude this exploration, we invite you to carry forward the insights and perspectives gained into your daily lives. Let the principles of fourth-dimensional thinking guide your choices and actions, enriching your journey through the fabric of space-time. By doing so, we each contribute to a future that reflects the best of what it means to think beyond the immediate, to embrace the vast potential that lies in considering the fourth dimension. May this journey inspire you to see the world and your place within it through a new lens, one that recognizes the profound interconnectedness of all things across time and space. Together, let us move forward with a renewed sense of purpose and a commitment to shaping a future that honors the depth and breadth of the universe we inhabit.